I want you to think of someone right now. Someone who got something you wanted. Maybe a grade, a role, a friendship, maybe an achievement. And for just a second, maybe longer, you felt something you didn't want to feel. Something that made you think, am I a bad person for feeling this? Well, you are not. And today I'm going to show you why that feeling might actually be one of the most useful emotion you have. If you know what to do with it, and then the whole game changes. And here's something nobody ever says in school. Jealousy is not a character flaw. It's not a proof that you are selfish, small, or mean. Every human being on the planet feels jealous. Every single one. Yes. The difference between people who grow from it and the people who get destroyed by it. That is, they understand what jealousy is actually trying to tell them. Because jealousy, it's never really about the other person. It's always a message about you. And that message is the most important thing you will ever hear today. So let's hear out a story first. Meet Vikram. 13-year-old, works hard, cares deeply. His best friend Dave just got picked up for the school cricket team. The team Vikram had been training for all the years. When the list went up, Dave's name was there. Vikram's wasn't. Vikram smiled and said, "Well done, man." But that night alone, something darker crept in. He didn't text Dave back. He scrolled Dave's post and felt his jaw just tighten up. He started noticing every little thing that annoyed him about Dave. He didn't want to feel this way, but he couldn't make it stop as well. And the worst part, he started to feel ashamed of himself for feeling it at all. The jealousy was eating him up, and the shame about the jealousy was eating him even faster and faster. So, here's what is really happening when jealousy hits. Most people do one thing out of these three. They deny it, that I'm not jealous, I just think it's unfair. They weaponize it. They start picking apart the person who has or what they just want. Or they drown in the shame of feeling it. What kind of a person I am. And all three makes it worse. Right? All three waste the most important message jealousy is trying to send you. Because here's the truth. Jealousy is not about Dev. It's Vikram's own heart saying, cricket matters deeply to me. I want this. I haven't given up. That's not ugly. That's important. But the question is, what do you do with it? So here's the reframe that changes everything. So jealousy is actually a compass, not a flaw. It points directly at the things you care about the most. You don't get jealous about things that don't matter to you. Nobody is jealous of someone else's skill at something they don't care about. So every time jealousy shows up, it is showing you something about your own desires, your dreams, your own unfinished story. The person you are jealous of is not your enemy. They are, in a strange way, your mirror. They are showing you what's possible and what you still want to fight for. It's quite deep. Sink in into it. So here's your tool for today. I call it as grow method because that's the only direction jealousy should ever take you. G, get honest. Don't pretend you're not feeling it. Say it yourself, privately but honestly. I'm jealous of Dave getting on the team. I wanted that. No shame, no judgment, just truth. A feeling you admit to yourself loses its power to control you. R, read the message. Ask, What is this jealousy telling me I care about? Not what it's telling you about the other person. What it's telling you about you. Write it down. Because whatever answer comes up, that is something worth fighting for. Oh, own your own race. Yes. Stop watching their lane. Get back in yours. Ask, what is one thing I can do today to get closer to what I want? One training session, maybe one practice, one step. Channelize the energy of jealousy, which is enormous, and point at your own progress. Jealousy turned inward destroys it, and jealousy redirected builds it. W. Wish them well and genuinely. This is the hardest step and the most powerful one. Look at the person you have been jealous of and find one true thought. They worked for this, they deserve it. You don't have to mean it fully the first time, maybe. Say it anyway, but because the moment you can genuinely celebrate someone else's win, that's even when you wanted it to. You have become someone whose own wins are just a matter of time. So imagine if Vikram had used the grow method. He gets honest that I'm jealous. I wanted this more than I admitted it. He reads the message. Cricket isn't just a hobby for me, it's something I genuinely want to pursue. He owns his rates. He signs up for extra coaching. He trains harder than before. And the hardest part? He texts Dave, seriously, well done. You earned it. Let's celebrate, and means it. 3 months later, when the next selection comes around, Vikram's name is on the list. Not because jealousy drove him, but because he used it as a fuel instead of letting it burn him down. Getting it? How the circle goes. And the most successful people in this every field, maybe athletics, artists, scientists, leaders, they all felt jealous. It's normal of all their peers, of all people ahead of them. But the difference, they never let jealousy make them smaller. They let it make them hungrier. Jealousy is not just ambition that hasn't found its direction yet. So give it a direction and watch what happens. So here's your challenge this week. Think of one person you have ever felt jealous of, maybe recently. Don't judge yourself for it. Run the grow method. Start with one step. Just get honest with yourself. And then drop a comment below finishing this sentence. Jealousy recently taught me that I care deeply about. Fill up that sentence. That one sentence might be the most important thing you write this week. So I read every single comment, hit subscribe button, because next week we are going into something that quietly affect everything: your sleep, your focus, your happiness, and the skill of managing your own mind when everything feels overwhelming. So don't miss it up.